Hi everyone, so I'm here to share something nice and important tips and ideas, especially for the hair and skin. It's really nice. So this one is I bought this online. You can also bought this online at Golden Naturals Supplements. I bought this online. This is, oh, by the way, this is not a sponsor. This is not paid. Golden Naturals, Bikini Man. Oh, anyway, so this one I'm going to isi-share ko lang sa inyo. I just wanted to share this one. I've been using this like a month now. This is 1000 ml, 1000 ml. And this is silicium support. Silicium support. This is in Dutch kasi. And I saw in TikTok a doctor or something, the best way or isa sa pinaka the best ma-achieve having a good skin, like firm, like, you know, nice skin to be short, or in short, para if you have a firm skin and nice, beautiful, you know, this silicium, I don't know, I forgot the English term, but this silicium this is intended for nice, strong hair, sterk, stevig hair. Sterk means strong and firm. Stevig, I forgot kung anong English, but moy means beautiful, glancent hair means shiny hair, and aesthetic nails and styled health means strong nails, also for the nails as well. Yeah, aesthetic nails and styled health means soft and beautiful, let's say soft and nice skin. So this is silicium. This is silicium actually. Hindi yung silicium na nabibili sa every time na, di ba may silicium kapag bumili ka na, if you bought something, a shoes or something, you know, there is silicium there. No, not that one. But this silicium, there is a powder form and this is a liquid form, the one that I bought online. And it helps really nice. Promise. I think if you're taking collagen or if you're taking, I'm not saying against any collagen now. I'm not, because I've been using also that one before. But if you try this one, it's really nice. Kung gusto nyo maging gumanda ang skin niyo, as in all fairness, talagang firm and super yung pinong-pino yung skin niyo, this one. And I've done research also. There's some few users. It's really nice. This is really nice. So, like I said, you can buy this one online. You can buy this at Golden Naturals. And this is liquid form and it's for everything. Para siyang, maganda siyang pampa fresh, should I say, pampa fresh. Maganda siya sa combination nyo sa mga gusto nyong, if you want to look younger, if you want to look, you know, para at least makinis kayo yung skin niyo. And this is not only just for the skin, but it's also for the hair, especially if you're suffering hair loss or if your hair is damaged from chemical process, like from bleaching or the hair dye or even a damage sa mga hair color or sa mga hair rebonding or hair straightening something. This one will help also for your hair. So what I'm gonna do is I take this every morning. So you have to take this an empty stomach. And also actually, I take it with zinc bisglycinate capsule. Zinc bisglycinate capsule. I already discussed this before, but I take zinc bisglycinate because it's good for the hair. Because I have a hormonal hair fall, hormonal blah 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 or something, and since I live in the Netherlands and oyster is not, you can get natural zinc by eating some foods like mostly sa mga oyster. Oyster is rich of zinc, but zinc here in or oyster here in the Netherlands is very expensive, and hindi ako masyadong fan ng oyster. Medyo malansa, in fairness. So, that's why I think zinc instead. Bisglycinate, there are so many types of zinc in the market, but the one bisglycinate is really, really the good one. And if you are going to take this one, start with the lowest dosage. Like I take 15 mg, 15 milligrams. Yeah, 15 mg kasi the proper way to take zinc bisglycinate, I'm not an expert also rather, I'm not an expert. It's just based on my experience. Also, I did some research and it works for me. And mostly the best way to use zinc bisglycinate is take it with empty stomach. Why? Because it can may mga contradiction kasi siya kapag na-take mo siya ng mali. Like, hindi siya gaano ka-effective, hindi siya ganon hindi mo ma-absorb lahat ng benefits niya kapag if you take it in a wrong way. So that's why I take this in the morning, empty stomach, and start it with lower dosage, because if you take it with a higher dosage, pwede kang magsuka. So, kasi meron siyang something na pwede kang magsuka. So that's why I start with low dosage. So this combination, this will help me, especially if you're having concern with your hair. This might be a good, you should try this one. But for me, it's based on my experience, this one is legit. Sobrang nice nito, promise. Super, super nice. And you can buy this online actually. In the Netherlands, you can buy this one. But I don't know if your other country, pwede naman siyang ma-research. But yeah, in Europe, you can buy this one easily sa online. So yeah, like I said, you have to take this in an empty stomach in the morning rather. Or pwede mo siyang i-take ng like so morning if you eat something, or if you eat something and then after 2 hours pwede mo na siyang i-take. So after 2 hours pwede mo na siyang i-take. Kailangan wala siyang mga starch or wala siyang ibang kasabay na any other supplements. This one is okay, but for other things, stuff like that, may contradiction siya, kaya maybe that's possible na pwede kang magsuka or something, but it's normal. But that's why the best way to take this one is morning, and then after 1 hour pwede ka nang kumain. So what I do, like in the morning, so actually I already take this one, nag-take na ako this 20 minutes ago. Ito lang hindi. So yeah, and good thing about this is meron siyang ganito cup or something, measuring cup. So this is really nice, promise. You should consider this one. Nasa lang to, I think nasa 27 euro, or basta hindi siya lagpas ng 30 euro or something. And then yeah, meron naman siyang instructions sa likod. It has instructions at the back. Especially kung gusto mo, if you want to look younger, if you want to look fresh, if you want to look, you should consider this one. And yeah, this is really nice. So it says in the instruction you should take at least, meron naman siyang 20 ml. Yeah, up to 20 ml. Yes, this is 20 ml. So kung medyo kuripot ka or low budget, 10 ml lang muna. So go for 10 ml. But anyway, so 20 ml is the advice dosage every day, at least, this one has no actually wala siyang masyadong restricted kung kailan mo siya dapat inumin. Pwedeng morning, pwedeng evening. Pag nakalimutan ko siya inumin sa morning, you can also take this in the evening. And the taste, it has really no taste. Honestly speaking, it has really no taste. But according here to the sa bottles, it has Bosfruchtensmaak. Bosfruchtensmaak, it means there's a fruit. What's a Bosfruchten? Bosfruchten. Can you comment down below unsay ano sa mga Dutch friends ko? What is Bosfruchten in English? Bosfruchten at something ano siya, something basta something fruit siya na smack, pero hindi siya ganon ka fruity ano niya. It's not really fruity taste or something. It's more on water. There's no really taste, no something. And yeah, like I said, this one helps a lot. Promise. You can you should try. You can try. You can wala namang there's nothing wrong kung if you are going to try this one, but this one really nice and really it's really beneficial. The silicium helps to hair volume and verbitrin. Yeah, according sa likod dito, silicium helps hit hair volume to verbitrin. It means it helps a lot to give a volume hair. It means nakakatulong din siya na mag-grow ang inyong mga hair. Silicium for moist, steric nails. Silicium is also good for nails. It says really good for the nails. Like, if you are a person na madaling mabali yung mga nails ninyo, so this will help to make your nails stronger. Vitamin C, of course, voor het behoud van de stevigheid, zachtheid and elasticiteit van de huid. Vitamin C, of course, perfect for strong and softness and elasticity for the skin. And vitamin C is good for the aanmaak van kraakbeen. Loading. Ito lang hindi ko alam. This one is I do not know. So it means it's loaded of vitamin C actually, and vitamin C is really nice for the skin. So yeah, it has everything at the bottle, so there's nothing wrong if you would try this one. Again, this is not a sponsored, so I'm just giving tips and ideas. So sa mga since nagaano ako ng hair, and then since ginagamit ko na siya ng a month now, and I can say it helps a lot. Really, it helps a lot. It gives, I can see the difference already. So, and madali lang siyang i-take, honestly. It's really easy to take because it's liquid form and there's no really taste. It's just like water. Mostly it tastes like water, actually. So, yeah. So, in English, silicium or silicum. Basta silicium something siya. And try this one na, promise. If you want, if you want your hair nice, kumapal, tumubo, and again, it's not only for the hair, it's also for the skin and for the nails. So, again, this combination this works for me. So, if you like to take this one, it's okay. But if you're also considering, if you're having a very bad hair problem, like extreme hair fall or something, I think you should consider zinc, because zinc helps a lot to promote also strong and healthy hair. And zinc has a lot more beneficial actually if you do some more research. So you should try this one. So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.